Hanoi, located on the banks of Red River, is one of the best cities for experiencing nightlife in Vietnam. Vietnam is a Southeast Asian country known for its lovely beaches, rivers, Buddhist pagodas, and bustling cities. It also shares maritime border with Thailand. We traveled from Bangkok to Hanoi. The flight duration was 1.5 hours. Let's watch some quick highlights of our journey from Bangkok to Hanoi. So finally we are at Hanoi, which is the capital of Vietnam and is a very busy city. Nhat Tang Bridge, also known as Vietnam-Japan Friendship Bridge, is a cable-stayed bridge crossing the Red River in Hanoi and connects center of Hanoi city to Noi Bai International Airport. Now we are going to explore some local streets around Old Quarter and nightlife of Hanoi through walking tour. Biaoi Corner, also known as Biaoi Junction, located in Hanoi Old Quarter, is a worth visiting place for everyone who comes to Hanoi for the first time. It's a high-end shopping mall that's home to many famous international brands. Now we are on other side of Point Kain Lake. After walking around this lake, we are now back at the same point from where we started. You can also enjoy a ride on this commonly used three-wheel cycle taxi called Cyclo. We are going to explore some more streets. It's midnight now, but still you can watch how busy the streets around Old Quarter Hanoi are.